officially the next day, and it's cold. It's really cold. Probably a high of like 37 today, but it's all good. We're gonna take the dogs for a walk. Looks like they're pretty much ready to go. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? I was gonna take these boots out that I bought yesterday on a little stroll, but I don't know. Decided not to. Check out my socks, by the way. Santa Cruz. Oh, look at this. Sweet, the screaming hand. Isn't that awesome? All right, so yeah, we're gonna go take these guys out for a walk, and then maybe try to get a little bit of ride time, and then I'm gonna see the pawn shop down the street and the Goodwill in this town sometime today. So that's definitely on the agenda. Just kidding, we're gonna take them to the dog park. You guys wanna go to the dog park? Let's go! It is cold, trust me, it is. Small dogs go there. Don't know why these people have their dogs there, because they're supposed to be small dogs. And that one, this is like a training area where you can like do fetch and stuff and train your dogs. And then this is the part for the bigger dogs. There's pretty much nobody here, because it's like 30, like 3 degrees. I don't know, it's really cold. The funny thing is we brought dog sweaters for our dogs here, and we forgot them at the house, so it sucks, but I seem to be doing okay. I dropped the dogs off at the house and outside of a pawn shop. They got 20% off bikes. That's what that thing says right there. That would be sweet if I could find another road bike just like the one I got for 220 bucks. I would love that, but that's not gonna happen. But there are a bunch of bikes behind this monstrosity of a SUV. So gross, and the color is gross too. So I'm gonna go in there. I can't take the camera in, they'll probably kick me out, and it'll really screw up my deal. I'll show you what I find. I'm gonna be looking for video games, point and shoot cameras, things like that, webcams, and bikes. So we'll see. So I got done with that pawn shop. There's so much stuff in that pawn shop. You know, if I was in Austin, Texas, I'd probably pop on a fair amount of things that were a little bit larger for me to bring back. There is one bike in the row that is, I don't know, it's about 100 bucks. I could bring it to Austin and maybe sell it for like 180 or so, maybe 160. It has an attached pair of shoes on the top tube that I know I could probably sell for around 30 or 40 locally. I don't know if that's the bike I want to take home with me, because I only have space for, I don't have space for one more bike to take home. Like, you know, I came here with 3 bikes on a 4 bike rack, and there was an extra slot for the one that I picked up yesterday. So my idea here is if I could find a really good deal on something else that's a bike, I would zip tie it to that last bike and take 5 bikes home. So I don't know if that's the bike I want for my 5th bike yet, but we'll see. I still got to go to Goodwill today, and we're going to take a look around, and there's still tomorrow. Sun came out, oh my gosh. And it feels like 20 degrees warmer. I'm thinking I want to ride really bad, but I got to get this thrifting stuff done. Should be at this Goodwill pretty soon though. There you are, Goodwill. Perfect thing to do on a cold day. All right, there it is. Let's see. Why are you getting all bundled up? We're about to be inside. All right, here we go. Oh, cool boots. These are Danners. Wow, yeah, they're Danners in here. Oh, they're pretty, dang. Nice Danners, but they're definitely shaved up pretty good. Time travel devices here, wow. Some Chacos. Cool. So at that last Goodwill, and I did pick up those Chacos, by the way, we got a tip from the people that work there about other thrift stores just like that in the area, and they put us down 2 miles down the road, and here we are at Samaritan Shop, which is next to a Salvation Army. Pumped up. They gave us some tips, and we didn't even want any tips, and they gave it to us. Let's get it. Thrift stores are huge in Arkansas. There's so much going on. Ozark Trail. Wow, this is like the nicest thrift store I've ever been to, for real. It's like the coolest thrift store ever. Even if I don't find anything here, it's the coolest one.
Someone will be leaving on line 2.
This looks like an old Radio Shack toy. It is. That's pretty neat. Interesting. Dude, look at how much stuff is here. I mean, it's unbelievable. I'm just constantly blown away at how much crap is in this store. I gotta say, I can see how there's huge potential in that store. That store was so well organized, and there was just so much stuff. I can't believe that there's an actual thrift store in America that's that big, that packs in that much organized stuff. I mean, right?
Yep.
It was really well organized. It's almost like a department store, right?
Yeah.
I can't believe it.
It reminded me of a TJ Maxx or a Marshall.
TJ Maxx Cheddar. So we're gonna go to this Salvation Army that's behind this little bar thing. Check that out, and then we have one more place, then we go home. I'm gonna ride some bikes, so. What's up with all the thrift stores that are big as hell out here? Dude, look at all this crazy stuff out here. What? It's a Villaware? Let's see, maybe this is worth something. Let's see, as is, $4. Man, these carts have literally the worst wheels I've ever seen in my entire life. Oh, this is gonna roll like crap. I already know it. Oh, it's terrible. Oh, it's so noisy. Oh, I know. What is this? Ham boning. Ham boning. Huh, what's this guy? We'll save your life one day. Ham boning. Ham boning? I don't get it. I don't get it. I see this word and I really don't get anything what's going on here. He's got like a bunch of arms. He's doing things. I don't know. This is really weird. Pie face. All right, found some good stuff at that store. Got this Kenny Rogers leather Western jacket thing. Do I look like Kenny Rogers now?
No, babe.
Look what now. Wow. Anyway,
Say it's a little too tiny.
it would suck to drive a small car with this thing on. Anyways, this was $7. I think in my booth I can get over 50 for this thing all day. Does it look cool at least? It's cool, right?
If that's your style.
Yeah. Also got a Villaware thing that you saw at the very first part of the video, which I swear is used for like French. They call them French sandwiches, but I swear they're called madeleines. They look like little scallop things. And then that was $4. That'll probably sell on FBA for around 50 to 70. And then also when I was going through the shoe department, hell yeah, $5 a pair of John Varvatos slip-on shoes. Pretty cool. That'll probably be north of 50 on eBay. So great scores in that thrift store. Try to go to one more. Last thrift store of the day is right here, Helping Hands Thrift Store. I can't wait. Parking spot next to a Baja. Hey, are these things awesome or not? What do you guys think in the comments? It's like car, crossover, truck. What do you think? This whole day has been cheddar. It's been a good day. Anything super good in here? Another back section. Gosh. Oh, they're pointy as hell though. It's not good. Yeah, these are no-goes. There she goes. Getting better. Oh, be careful, God. Jeez. Alright, so this is the first skinny, which is a log. It has about 1.5, 2 foot drop on either side, maybe about a foot drop. The down tree, and it's called a skinny because it's skinny. You're not gonna do it, are you?
I prefer to start with the 6-inch high ones.
Whoa! It's not hard, just messes with you. Try it. Yes! You can even bail if you want. You'll be okay. Just look straight. I have a feeling she's gonna try it.
My whole body's like shaking.
It's not easy. I mean, it's just straight and it messes with your head on both sides. That's all it does.
Maybe I'll do it on over.
Okay. There's stuff everywhere in this park though. All right, so this is a skinny right here. It's about the same width. There's some skinnier ones than this. Yeah. Here's another one. Pretty skinny. One here. There you go. It's funny. Teaching her how to shift her body around while on the skinny. Shift your body. There you go. Good. All right, try again. Oh, you shifted the wrong way on that one. Don't worry. Yeah. He's got it. Nice. It's all in your head. There you go. Pivot, 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 and good. Let's go check it out. Oh yeah, that is a jump. Whoa, man. Into one of these. Another little thingy. Into one of those. To this. This place is insane. All the crazy stuff they have here. So I heard that she got it, the wood thing right there, but not on camera, so it doesn't count. I'm gonna go over here. Take your time. There you go. It's on film. Nice. So she conquered the skinny. We had a lot of fun in Arkansas. If you're ever wondering about Bentonville, Arkansas, it's an amazing place to go, especially if you're into trail riding and stuff like that. And the thrift scene was actually pretty good in a nearby town called Rogers, and then another town kind of close to that called Fayetteville. Anyways, this kind of wraps up the vacation vlog. I hope you really enjoyed it. You know, anytime I go on vacation, I always try to supplement it with reselling, but the primary thing is almost always an active-based thing. I love reselling in different towns, and I had fun doing a meetup over there in Fayetteville. So wherever I go from this point forward, as long as it's in the USA, we're gonna be doing thrift meetups at these towns that I go to. So hit the like button, go find yourself some skinnies in the woods, and I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler. Right along. Take it easy. Goodbye!